Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's your girl Coco Styles, and on this channel we talk about beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and styling. So today I wanted to share 5 things that elevated my personal style, and these items are things that I've probably spoken about before that I deem essential pieces and things that will make an impact on your wardrobe. The first thing is going to be statement pieces. So for me, statement pieces will be anything that is going to make your outfit pop. You guys know I love my COS leather gloves that come all the way up. I'm going to see if I can find a photo and pop it in. Absolutely love those. COS does not typically have things that are like unique, but these are opera length leather gloves and they are spectacular. Okay, statement pieces for me will add any type of zhuzh to a plain outfit. You can have on a t-shirt, a pair of jeans, some nice earrings, nice bracelets, a nice hat. So any type of statement piece for me elevated my personal style, and I think you should kind of look into that. If you are a girl who has a slightly, I don't want to use the word basic because basic pieces are very much so needed, but maybe more classic style, right? And you want to start to add in, you may not like gaudy earrings and things like that, but you may like nice statement bracelets or a really nice statement pair of sunglasses or a really nice statement bag or shoes. So statement pieces is the first thing that added to my personal style and pretty much elevated it, in my opinion. The second thing is gonna be quality blazers. Blazers are king, guys. From leather blazers to silk blazers, silk satin blends, whatever you want to call it, wool blazers, denim blazers. Blazers are it. You guys know I love the brand Blanc. Blanc has really nice oversized leather blazers. They do go up to a size, I believe, an extra large if I'm not mistaken. And sometimes you can find them on sale on other websites. So with that being said, check out Blanc. The Frankie shop also has nice blazers. They do have oversized blazers and they also have regular fit. For the tall girls, we cannot fit their regular size things, but their oversized blazers can fit us. Okay, I've said this before, but great quality blazers are going to be a key piece, and it really helped my wardrobe because I have a ton over here that I can just throw on. It will make any basic classic outfit pop because I have a really nice statement blazer on. The third thing is going to be for like fall and winter, which will be really good knitwear. Knitwear is everywhere. However, trying to find good knitwear is really hard. Okay, COS has great knitwear. What is this other brand? AMI. They have the sweaters with the heart on it. Their sweaters are superb. Okay, you also have Source, a great knitwear. Really elevated my wardrobe from basic crew neck sweaters knitwear to basic cardigan style knitwear. A very casual piece that can definitely add some style to it and elevate any outfit. So for me, it was a plus and it elevated my wardrobe and my personal style. All right, the fourth thing is gonna be quality handbags. And I'm saying quality versus designer because there are a lot of brands who have really great leather bags. You guys know I love me some COS. COS has really nice leather bags. Zara, sometimes they will have like 100% leather bags. So just because it is designer doesn't mean that it's always statement, but a really great quality bag, regardless of what it is, it's going to elevate your style. And it actually helped me with my personal style as well because now I can just grab any bag, feel comfortable that is great quality, whether it's designer or if it's not designer. So quality handbags is number 4. Coats. Okay, coats are like for the winter and fall. If you do not feel like looking really nice that day and you have on a really nice coat that's long, you will feel like $1,000,000, okay? You guys know I love the Frankie shop. They do have really nice maxi length wool coats. There's a whole bunch of other brands out there that are affordable, and there are brands that are like super expensive, but really nice coats is going to be something that you should think about getting if you're trying to elevate your personal style and your wardrobe in general. I would recommend spending the money on the best quality for your budget. That is so that you are not replacing that item year after year after year. So for me, when I do buy things that are a little bit more on the pricier side, you can probably tell that I get more of a basic color. That way I can wear it over and over and over. And if I did get something that is a pop, I probably got it on sale, child. Okay. But in general, I'm going for things that's going to elevate my wardrobe and that I could wear for a really long time. Last thing is gonna be boots and shoes. Okay, for a girl who has a size 11, 12, 13 foot, finding the proper shoe that fit my feet well, great quality, that are comfortable is hard. So when I find them, for me, it is something that is going to elevate my wardrobe. I talk about those Jimmy Choo boots all the time. I'll pop in a photo because they have been a game changer to my wardrobe. For me, as a tall girl, they come way over the knee, and those are hard to find for somebody who is 6 feet tall, and they're great quality. Okay, like the quality is like unmatched. So those are like 6 different things that I tend to gear towards when I'm shopping, and that has helped me elevate my wardrobe, and it'll probably help you too. Comment below if you have things in your wardrobe that you know has made an impact on your closet, has made people say, hey, your style is so nice, or just something. Whatever it is, comment below. Let's talk about it. So thank you guys for tuning into this video. Make sure you are following me on Instagram at Coco Styles NYC and Coco Styles NY. And if you stay to the end of this video, please comment Coco, we see you. And guys, don't forget to follow me on my blog, Coco Styles NYC, and my style services, Coco Styles NY. And I'm on TikTok, Coco Styles NYC. It's probably going away. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.